Welcome to the Road to 2025 Financial Goals Edition. Today we're diving into how you can set and stick to your financial goals for 2025. We're not just talking about wishing for a pile of money. We're talking about creating a clear, actionable plan to get you there. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down the exact steps you can take to gain control of your money and set yourself up for success. So if you're ready to make 2025 your most financially successful year yet, grab a notebook and let's get started. Before we start talking about where you want to be, we need to take a good hard look at where you are right now. This means understanding every aspect of your financial situation. Calculate your total monthly income from all sources, including salary, side hustles, and investments. Don't forget to include any irregular income, like bonuses or freelance work. Next up, the not-so-fun part, expenses. This includes everything from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. Track every single dollar you spend for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even good old-fashioned pen and paper. The method doesn't matter as long as it works for you. Now, let's talk about debt. This is a crucial part of your financial baseline. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, car loans, personal loans, anything you owe money on. Note down the balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This will help you prioritize which debts to tackle first. Finally, let's look at your savings. This is your financial cushion. How much do you have stashed away in your savings account, emergency fund, or other investment accounts? This is crucial for your financial security. Once you have a clear picture of your income, expenses, debts, and savings, you can start to identify areas where you can improve your financial habits. This might mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses or finding ways to increase your income. Remember, honesty is key here. Be truthful with yourself about your financial habits. The more accurate your assessment, the more effective your financial plan will be. This is the foundation for your future financial success. This is your safety net and your starting point for building wealth. It's essential to know where you stand before you can make any progress. Let's move on to defining your goals. This is where the real journey begins. Now that you have a solid understanding of your current financial situation, it's time to start thinking about the future. What are your financial goals for 2025? Do you want to buy your dream home? Pay off those student loans? Maybe you're dreaming of early retirement or starting your own business. Whatever it is, write it down. Be specific. How much money do you want to save and what will you use it for? Remember the SMART acronym: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your goals should be challenging yet attainable, and they should align with your values and aspirations. For example, instead of save more money, a SMART goal would be save $10,000 for a down payment on a condo by December 2025. Once you have a list of well-defined goals, prioritize them. Which ones are most important to you? This will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards achieving them. Your financial roadmap. Creating a budget that works. Let's be real. The word budget doesn't exactly spark joy in most people. It often conjures images of restrictions and sacrifices. But trust me, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about creating a plan that allows you to spend wisely and save for the future. It's about giving yourself permission to spend money on the things that matter most to you. Whether it's a vacation, a new gadget, or a special dinner, a budget helps you prioritize. Think of your budget as a financial roadmap. It guides you towards your financial goals and helps you avoid unnecessary detours. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can make informed decisions about your money. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to taking control of your finances. Start by listing all your sources of income, then categorize your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. And this could include housing, transportation, food, entertainment, debt payments, and savings. Each category should reflect your lifestyle and priorities. Now, allocate your income to each expense category. Make sure to set aside money for savings and unexpected expenses. Be realistic about your spending habits. It's important to be honest with yourself about where your money goes. If you know you tend to overspend on dining out, allocate a reasonable amount for that category and look for areas where you can cut back. Small changes can make a big difference over time. The key to a successful budget is finding a balance between spending and saving. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices. Make sure you're setting aside enough money each month to reach your financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment, or investing for retirement. These goals should be specific and measurable. Remember, your budget is not set in stone. It's a flexible tool that can be adjusted as your circumstances change. It's okay to adjust it as your income, expenses, or financial goals change. Regularly reviewing and updating your budget ensures it remains relevant and effective. The important thing is to have a plan and to stick to it as much as possible. Consistency is key to achieving financial stability. Let's move on to developing a savings plan. This will help you build a secure financial future. Building your financial fortress. Developing a savings plan. Saving money is the cornerstone of achieving your financial goals. It provides a safety net and helps you prepare for future expenses. First, determine how much you need to save each month to reach your goals. This involves calculating your income and expenses. Break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable monthly savings targets. This approach makes the process less daunting. This will make it feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Next, automate your savings to ensure consistency. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This step is crucial for building a habit. This way, you'll never even see the money, and you'll be less likely to spend it. Out of sight, out of mind. Now let's talk about boosting your savings rate. Increasing your savings can accelerate your progress. Look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses. Every little bit helps. Can you negotiate a lower rate on your car insurance or find a more affordable cell phone plan? These changes can add up. Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Additionally, consider increasing your income. Could you ask for a raise at work, take on a side hustle, or find ways to monetize your skills and hobbies? Explore all options. Remember, saving is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. It's about consistency and discipline. Regular contributions, no matter how small, make a difference. Even small amounts saved consistently over time can grow into a significant sum thanks to the power of compound interest. This is the magic of saving. Let's discuss monitoring and adjusting your goals. Regular reviews ensure you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Staying flexible. Monitoring and adjusting your goals. Life is full of surprises, and your financial plan should be flexible enough to adapt to those changes. Set aside some time each month to track your progress. Are you on track to reach your savings goals? Are your expenses in line with your budget? Life throws curveballs. You might experience a job loss, unexpected medical expenses, or a global pandemic. We've all been there. These events can impact your finances, and it's important to be prepared to adjust your plan accordingly. Don't be afraid to make changes to your budget, savings plan, or even your financial goals if necessary. Flexibility is key to staying on track in the long run. By regularly monitoring and adjusting your plan, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of life. Achieving your financial goals is a journey, not a destination. Your 2025 financial success starts now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you the tools and inspiration you need to take control of your finances and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. See you next time.